Hey everybody! We are here in our virtual technology lab to introduce our first project. That first project is our Perpetual calendar, and I can't wait to see what's in the kit. Here we go. It's time to unbox it. All right, everybody, greetings and hello. We're going to take a look and do our great unboxing at this Perpetual calendar kit. It looks really, really interesting, and it's something that I think we're going to have a lot of fun putting together. So let's slide that sleeve off here and open it up. Let's see what we've got. Oh, yes, indeed. Lots of stuff. Looks like we're going to be punching some things out here in a little bit. I'm going to move everything along to the side. Take a look at what we have in here. I will bet that this is the small parts. It is indeed. So we will leave those there. And that is it. Let's take a look inside these sheets. I am terrible at peeling the shrink wrap off. If you are better at it than me, that's good. If you are not better at it, have a parent or guardian assist you with this. I'm going to use a tool or a knife. You absolutely positively, if you're using a tool or any sort of object that can hurt you, need to make sure that a parent is helping you out with this step. You guys probably can just peel it right off, but my old fingers need a little help. All right, let's take a look at what we've got here. Put that there. And I am just going to assist myself to get it started just a little bit. So we're going to be very careful, though, because just looking at this, and you'll see as you do yours, some of these laser cut parts are very, very fragile. So as you are taking it out of the package, you want to make sure that you do not put any stress on the little bits, specifically some of these cross pieces. And look, there was a little guy that fell out there that we didn't even know about. So there are two main boards that we have to worry about. Also a little piece of sandpaper. I'm going to put that in with my small parts. I'm also going to put this what looks like some gear widgets into the small parts too. And I'm going to move this other piece aside while we very, very carefully take a look at everything. And I think we'll be able to punch these out. But again, this is something that we don't want to break anything, because if we break it, there's no going back, right? Anything that's broken is broken for good. So we're going to take our good old time and punch out some of these pieces. And some are probably going to come out easier than others. Some are going to be a little difficult, and we want to be very, very cautious. There. Now it looks like that's all punched out. But just to be safe, in case I missed something, I'm going to put my other piece back into the box. I'm not going to get rid of it just quite yet. The other thing I'm going to do is, once again, put all of the smaller bits that we have punched out into our bits box. The larger bits, they can stay out on our workspace for now. This piece in particular looks like it's got several pieces all in one, and I'm going to leave this one intact just for the time being so that it's one big piece. And then as we need those small pieces, we will punch them out. Again, all the little bits are going to go into my box for little bits, and the larger pieces can go together. Well, that's it for day one. We've got everything organized and ready to go for our build. Remember, if you haven't yet ordered yours and you want a personal calendar, it's still not too late. You'll be able to access these videos all throughout the fourth quarter. Also, make sure that you put things in a place where they're not going to get touched, or you put them away so that we don't lose any pieces. We're going to be doing this a little bit at a time every single video. So it's really important that we don't lose any pieces. I hope you had as much fun taking a look and punching things out. You know, the board game guy in me loves punching all of those little bits out. We're going to start to take a look at what we need for our main structure in our next video, and we're going to actually start building it. So until next time, my friends, I will see you.